for you. So again, I'm not sure if the video will show you, but each piece is labeled according to that design that we found. And so using that, that's how we're going to assemble this. I'm just going to put these pieces and start assembling each of the joints. We're going to run the bolt through the holes to connect them all together, and then secure them using the nut and the washer so that they don't fall out. So I guess I'll go into a little bit more detail on how we actually got these pieces. So as I mentioned before, these were all cut from a piece of plywood. So what I did was, after I obtained the measurements using the design that we located, I simply just used a pencil to trace it onto the plywood sheet. And then using a jigsaw, I cut those outlines out and subsequently sanded these pieces down because the jigsaw made them fairly rough in terms of the edges. So I just used a drywall sander and sanded them down to these smooth pieces. And then I used an 1/8 of an inch drill bit in order to drill these holes here at the locations that I had marked previously on the sheet. And then that is what allowed us to make these pieces that you see in the video. We can readjust as we see fit. So to complete this, I'm just going to fasten on this boot here. So I'm not sure if you can see with the shadow, but we cut out the indentation for this piece here, the bottom of the leg where we're going to attach it. To do that, you just fix it into place. Going to fasten the tape around it, hold it there. There we go. We have our completed Jansen leg component.